it, baby, later. You could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
This is the look. Do something nice, grown and sexy, okay? Hey Charlie Mar Beauties, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here today with a new video. We're gonna do a nice little soft beat. I don't know, we'll get into it though. Just tune out, it's Thursday night, so we're just gonna listen to some music and get this content out, and hopefully it's something that you ladies like. All right, sorry, I can't help you. No, got my nails done. These are my birthday nails. Birthday nails. And what are they called? Duck nails. So I gave them a try. They're not as long, so I don't look too duckish, but they're definitely wide at the tips. All right, Charlie Mar Beauty, tune out, tune in, watch now. Hey, so I'm using my Strawberries and Cream lip gloss by Charlie Mar Beauty. Okay, now I'm brushing out my brows before I get ready to set them with the Airspun setting powder. Okay, so I'm going in with Jamaican black castor oil and jojoba oil to moisturize my face, and then I'm going to use the Equate Cocoa Butter lotion to apply on top of that, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going in with the Ruby Kiss lip pencil in the shade dark brown to fill in my brows. And I did a sloppy job. I did a sloppy job outlining my brows, okay? But thankfully, concealer cleans it all up. Okay, so I'm cleaning up my brows with the Deep Caramel e.l.f. concealer. I'm going in at the bottom brow with the Deep Caramel. And then at the top, I'm going in with the Fit Me foundation in the shade 356 Warm Coconut.
Baby, not like friend, I'm trying to bond. Sure, hip her reading wrong. They like he did wrong. Still singing along. Here go the disclaimer, don't fall in love. Killing that precision up behind just killing. Take a song, be one-on-one. No after party, just. I wish I knew.
Okay, so I'm going in blending out that foundation to make sure we have a smooth transition underneath our makeup when we lay down that foundation. Again, we're going in with the Fit Me foundation in the shade 356 to clean up the top brow. Then we're going to blend out that foundation so there's no harsh lines before we lay our foundation down for full coverage on our face. Also notice that the Deep Caramel Elf Concealer and the Fit Me foundation in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. They're similar in shade, similar in color. I believe the Warm Coconut Fit Me foundation number 356 is a little bit lighter than what it should be. So I'm going to go see what other foundations Fit Me has to offer to see if I can get a deeper shade. Okay, I clearly should have went with my primer, then set my face with the setting powder, and then went in with my foundation. My face was a little bit more matte than I would have liked it to be. Even though I went in with the primer over the setting powder, it just smeared all over. So, yeah, make sure you prime, then set your face. This was a TikTok trend that obviously failed, but the look still came out okay. Like I said, it was just a little bit more matte than what I would have liked. Okay, so I'm blending out that Deep Caramel Concealer on my eyelids before we go on with eyeshadow. This is where it was registering that I messed up, okay? But we kept going. Trust the process. Blended out that foundation. It's the same 356 from my previous video, Maybelline Fit Me, in the shade 356, Coconut, Warm Coconut. Okay, so we're going to do our highlighted area, our T-zone, with the same Deep Caramel Elf Concealer. This is the hydrating concealer with the satin finish. So we're going to go ahead and highlight our T-zone area. Okay, I went ahead and highlighted my lower cheek. What do you call that part of the face? The reverse contour. Because I noticed that my makeup was looking a little bit dark, you know, at the lower half of my face. And I definitely wanted to blend evenly. So we highlighted where we needed to today, okay? Now I've been using brushes. I've grown to love using brushes, doing my makeup, set my powders, and the whole nine. But I've circled back around to my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender, when setting my setting powder. And it's something about the damp beauty blender that really just makes it feel like it melts the setting powder and makeup into your face. I definitely like using my beauty blender over the brush when it comes to setting my face. Let me know what works best for you and if you feel like it presses the makeup in better than what a brush does. Okay, so I went ahead and went in with the Deep Caramel by e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer to go over my eyelids again before I get ready to go in with the eyeshadow. We jumped around a little bit today. I normally do my eyeshadow before I do the rest of my face, but the setting powder was not aesthetically pleasing. So, yeah, we was all over the place today. Sorry about that. Now, I wasn't sure what colors I wanted to do on my eyelids today. I know I wanted orange. I know I wanted to be bright. I know I wanted to pop. So I went in with orange, then I went in with red, and then, of course, I laid down my blue. And it's giving, like, sunset vibes. I try to stick to the trends of what be going on, with the online Instagram and TikTok. But it's just soft glam all the time. And, again, I love color. So here we are with another beautiful look. Let me know what you think of the color combinations I used for this eyelid. Put your comments down below. Okay, so I'm going in with the waterproof NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Black to top off that eyeshadow look. And then we're going to clean that up with the Deep Caramel e.l.f. concealer. And then we're going to put some color back in our face with bronzing with Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Deep. Or Dark, sorry. I love contouring from the cheekbones to the nose to the forehead. I just love it. I knew. Okay, now we're smoothing everything out with the MAC Studio Fix foundation powder. I'm going in with the shade NW45. And we just want to go over any harsh lines to make sure everything's transitioning. Okay. Take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. For blush, I'm going back in that palette to use the orange that I used for my eyes. And we're putting blush on our cheeks and our nose and our forehead. I think orange is just a beautiful color for blush. See, I'd be surprising myself. I didn't even plan the look. I knew I wanted to do orange with red, and then you could have went in with like a soft color, but I'm falling in love. I look good in blue. Okay, now I'm going in with the e.l.f. setting spray. This is Last All Night. Okay, I put my Mona Charlie Mar Beauty lashes on. I outlined my lips with the Princessa Dark Brown eyebrow pencil, and then I went in with the NYX Cherry Skies red pencil to go over the rest of my lip. All right, ladies, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I want some interaction. Between the video. Let me know what you ladies think. This is the look. Do something nice, grown and sexy, okay? Hey beauties, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here tonight with another beat. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Charlie Mar Beauty.